team is standing in the hallway. Stomachs growling. Nobody's talking. And then it happens, the question nobody wants to answer. So, where are we eating? Silence. A shrug. I don't care, you pick. 10 minutes gone. 15. Someone suggests the same place you went last week. Someone else vetoes it. And just like that, lunch, the one good part of the workday, turns into a meeting about a meeting. Not anymore. Introducing Lunch Picker. The app that doesn't ask what you want, it already knows. Open it, and in one heartbeat, it hands you a real answer, a restaurant within walking distance, right now, complete with the exact distance, the walk time, the star rating, the price range, and a reason, a real reason, why this is the pick. No debate. No group chat. No hallway standoff. Don't love it? Tap Next Choice. Another option appears. And another. As many as it takes, until the whole team nods and says, yes, that one. But this isn't random luck. It's precision, built for real people with real cravings. Vegetarian on the team? Vegan? Halal only? No pork, no bacon, no ham? Craving a buffet to feast on, or need something fast because the next meeting starts in 10 minutes? Just filter it, cuisine, diet, price, distance, and watch the app bend to exactly how your team eats. Tap into any restaurant and unlock its secrets. Popular menu items, standout highlights like group seating, healthy options, quick service, everything you need to decide, in seconds, not minutes. And every single result is real. Live, current restaurant data, pulled fresh, not a stale list from 3 years ago gathering dust. What you see is what's actually out there, right now, waiting for you, just steps away. Think about it. Every Wednesday, for months, maybe years, this exact moment has repeated. The same hallway, the same hesitation, the same wasted minutes. What if that moment just disappeared? Here's the part that changes everything. This isn't trapped on one screen, one device, one desk. It lives on the web, deployed on Vercel, instantly available in any browser, anywhere, built with React. And it lives in your pocket too, a true native Android app, built with React Native, so your whole team carries the answer with them, everywhere they go, every single day. One idea. 2 platforms. Infinite Wednesdays, finally solved. Imagine it, no more indecision eating away at your lunch break. No more wasted time, no more circling the block, no more, I don't care, you pick. Just certainty. Just an answer. Just lunch, the way it should be, easy, fast, and honestly, kind of fun. Just open the app. And let it decide for you. Lunch Picker. Stop deciding. Start eating. Available right now, on the web, built with React, and on Android, built with React Native. Your next great lunch is one single tap away. Links are in the description below. It's 12:01 on a Wednesday.